Yeah, hi friends, welcome to CNC. So here we are going to make CNC program as well as simulation. So how we will get the simulation automatically and how we will get the CNC program automatically for this workpiece. So here it looks like a step turning, facing, then one step, and then one more step. So along with this you will find one chamfer and one corner or fillet and one more chamfer. So length 10 45 degrees angle. Yes. Now just we'll go for half profile first. So we'll go for the half profile, then we'll go for the revolve, then we will go for the stock setups, and we will select the tools required, then we will go for the simulation. Okay, so let's see how we are going to make. See here, if you see clearly the operations required, you can say here as clearly facing, then followed by the step turning. Okay, so first we will go for the rough cutting, then we will go for the finishing two operations. Okay, yes, let's see how to select and how to make in a Mastercam. Yes, this is our Mastercam. Okay, interface. So this is our working area. Okay, so first this is the home page interface, you can say. So we have to make the 2D profile. So go to wireframe, yes. Now select the line, yes, select the center point. Of course by default it will come, you can see here the plus symbol here. Okay, so just click here. So we want vertical line, yes, keep somewhere else vertical line. So how much length we want, if you see here how much length we want here. So as I said before, half profile first we have to make, so that is 10 we have to make. Yes, so go for 10. Just here directly enter here. See, you can see length and angle. Okay, so first we want the length of 10. Just click here and enter the value 10. Yeah. Select here 10. Enter 10. Yes. Done. Yes, click yes. This the right symbol with the arrow is okay. Yes. Now we have to make one more horizontal line, means this one, this line. Okay, so here to here. So how much it is? 30. So go for 30. Go for 30. Yes, select this end point. Yeah, select this end point and click here. Means we require the horizontal. Yes, how much length it is? So we want it for 30. Yes, I will get the 30 line. Just enter 30 here. 30, 30. Yes. Okay. Now we want to make 30 line here. So fillet 5 radius. Okay, or corner. Just first what we will do? First we will go for 5 height. Then we will go for the fillet later. Okay, 5 vertical. Then again horizontal 30. Yeah, 5 vertical. Just go to line, go to line, just click here. So we want horizontal, vertical first 5. Just click somewhere and just enter here 5. 25. Select also. Okay. Next, again line, select line. So from this point, yes, from this end point, yeah, again horizontal line. How much it is? 30. Yes, enter 30. Enter. Okay. Yes. Now we done up to this. So here up to this one. So here there is a chamfer. So what they will do? First select the line. This is the reference point, and select the point. Make a line point coordinates, you can say. So that is height. Y-axis is 25, half of 50. Then horizontally 30 plus 30 plus 10, 70. So minus 70, 25. So give the same coordinates here. Go to line. Yes, select the line. So first select this endpoint. Yeah, this endpoint. Now click on coordinates here. You can see here coordinates. Just click coordinates here. Click on this coordinates. Okay. Now what are the coordinates? Minus 70 is x-axis, y-axis is 25. Okay. Just enter. Yeah, see, now we are getting this point to this point. Okay, yes, fine. Okay, just click OK. Next, again we have to make again the vertical line. This one, this vertical line, this vertical line. Okay. Yes. Now go to line. Yes. Select this. Select this endpoint. Yeah. Select this endpoint. And come horizontal. How much horizontal line we require? 50. Let's go to center 50. So 5. Oh, yeah. Okay. 50. Done. Okay. Yes. Now just come down. That's a profile we want. Try to complete this profile. So that means go for this. We done up to this. Just go for one vertical line, then followed by the horizontal line. Same. Here. Yes. Now select the line. It's first endpoint. Yes. Select here. Yes. This is our reference point. And make vertical line. For this. The length will be 25 approximately you will get, or just you can click here, make it 25. It is not getting 25. Yes. Select. Okay. Next, select the line. just close the profile. Okay, yes, close the profile. Yeah. Okay, so you can see exactly 120 you will get if you are selecting by endpoints. Okay, yes, this is what the half profile we want. So to make it the half profile, so to make this facing, then followed by the step turning. Yes, now we have to go for this chamfer of 20 45 degrees angle, two 45 degrees angle, then one more chamfer 10 45 degrees angle, then one fillet. Yes, now select one chamfer, select chamfer. Yes. So how much length? 2. First we will do this one. The beginning, you can say this chamfer. Okay, so 245. Just give the distance as 2. Yes, distance as 2. Yes, 2 enter. Already there, just enter 2. Then, so angle it will be 45. If you want to change, just you can click here and it will automatically change how much angle you want. Yes, select the first line. Select the first line. Then select the second line. It will show like hidden lines. Okay. Yes, select this one. You see, now you are getting the chamfer of 245. Yes. Click OK. Now we want fillet here. Okay, just go to fillet or corner. So here radius is 5, so just enter 5, means as per your diagram. Drawing radius of 5 you have to make. Yes, so go to 5. 5, yeah. Of course, radius already 5 is there, but default value one can enter there. Okay. Yeah, 5 enter. So now select. It will blink. Okay, once the cursor moves to that line where you want to make fillet or corner, it will blink. Okay. Just select this one. See, automatically so we got the outside, I think. Outside, yes. No, we want internal radius. Okay, just go back or cancel. We want internal, just undo. Yeah, done. So actually you have to select this line and this line, since you are not going for the top. Okay, you have to select here and here. Right, go to fillet. Fillet. So radius of 5. Just select this line. This line and followed by. See, previously we selected this line. Okay, so yeah, we want this one. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Now, so of the profile we done. So far now, actually chamfer here we already done previously, so no need to repeat again. Yes, now we will make this one to the 3D model. So this is 2D profile, so you have to make in 3D like a solid. Just right click, go to isometric view. So this is your half profile. Okay, yes, go to solids. You know which command will make the rotatory parts in 3D. Okay, that is revolving along with the axis. Go to solid, go to revolve. Yes, you will get in the revolving in the form of chain. Okay, just select this chain. Select, this is the first point. So two extreme points you have to select on the profile. Yes, this is the first line, and this will be the second point. This will be the second point. It will blink, okay, automatically. Once it will blink, you just click there, you will get automatically. You can see now, this is the starting point, and this will be the ending point. Means it will start from here and it will end. Generally, the machining, okay. Yes, this green symbol represents okay. Just click there. Since we selected already. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to select the axis. So to where it will revolve. Okay. We have to select the axis to where it revolves. Just go to yes, see it is showing even the symbol here. So select the line to be used or axis of rotation. Just select this axis. Just select this. It will blink, okay? Just select it. So now it will revolve. Yes, done. So we want the revolve. Yes, revolve. Create body. Yes, okay. So it is generating 3D model. Yes, see, we are getting the 3D model. Yes, okay. Yes. And so now the revolve, we got 2D wireframe model. You can say 3D wireframe model now. Okay. Yes. Okay. So how can we make or convert this 3D wireframe to solid model? You can see here there are 4 options. Just come back to shaded. Yes, see, come back to shaded here. If you see here, this one, see, shaded, or if you click here, outline shaded, only outline it will get, okay. But we want complete solid, so shaded. Just click on shaded. Yeah, see, this is the one, the 3D model. You can say the final model what we require. Okay, so this is this one we done. Okay, so in the 3D model and how the final model you will get. But now, how we will make this as to machine in the CNC machine. Okay, so now we have to give the parameters now. So what type of operation required, what type of tool required, and what is the settings required. Okay, so for that what we will do, just you can make again the same profile like a 2D. You can say go first make it a wireframe model. Just click here, so wireframe model. Yes, now right click, go to top view as usual. Yes, now we have to give the you can select the mission. What type of mission required to make this one facing, turning, step turning? So we require the lathe mission. Okay, just go to missions, go to lathe. See, you find wire milling, lathe, and wire router design. Just go for lathe. Select default lathe mission. Okay, so here for the lathe machine, so we have to make first the stock setup. Stock nothing but workpiece. So what will be the workpiece? We want this shape, but initially you don't get like this shape. You will get like cylinder shape. Okay, so that shape we have to define first for the CNC machine. Okay, right. Now go to properties. Just click on this one, properties. Just click here. You will get tool settings, then stock settings. It's a stock setup. So first click on stock setup, means workpiece. First we have to fix the workpiece on the lathe machine. So what will be its initial I can say parameters. What will be its length and what will be its diameter? Okay, that we have to initially we have to set. Yes, you can see here stock. Just here the left spindle or right spindle, which one you are using. So it obviously first generally no majority of the lathe machines you will find left spindle. Just select properties. Since we are using the left spindle, so how much the left side you have to keep, that means extra, that we have to define. Yes, so we got the lathe machine with the different parameters. First select make 2 points. You can see here make 2 points. Yeah, so here we have to show the actually boundary points, you can say. Okay, so first we have to select make 2 points. Make 2 points. Yes, now it will see exactly at the center of your y-axis and x-axis you have selected this one. If you are feeling difficulty, just make it zoom. Just go to zoom. Yes, now select the center here. This one. This will be your center. Yes, okay. Next. So second point will be the extreme end point. This way. So 2 boundaries are done. Now select the use margins. See, outside diameter means how much the diameter extra you are having. For example, as per here outside diameter is 50. So in your problem outside diameter is 50. Yes, So it is automatically getting, okay. Then total length will be 120. So we are getting automatically here. So 50 and 120. So how much the raw material means stock workpiece you are having? So you don't get exactly 50, okay. So you will get some extra. So how much that extra? Like 2 or 3. That depends upon the workpiece. Just you can give the how much value it is required. Just 2. Then right side margin means the face, outside face of your workpiece. Just I am giving 2 mm. And left margin, how much the workpiece should be in the chuck as well as the extra material, okay. So check we already selected for 10, so just you can give 15 now. 15, okay. Just click OK. Okay, yeah, yes, okay. Now go to check how much the check you have to make. See the check parameters. Just you can see the position. So just make it enable from stock. So how much it should be? Just make it 10. So this the workpiece should be 10 mm inside, okay. This grip length 10 mm. Okay, just enter 10. Just okay. You can see that will get it down, okay. Yes, okay. Then again, okay. Now you can see here. Just right click, just to move the workpiece to the required position. Just go to select fit. Just move this one. Yeah. Zoom out. See now, this is the chuck, 2 chuck positions, and this will be the extra 2 mm, and this will be the 2 extra mm, and we are already given, okay. That is outside diameter 50, more than 50 we given, and the outside margin also we given. So this will be the chuck position, okay. Yes. Now we define the lathe machine setup. You can say chuck and the workpiece setup. You can say stock setup. Now we will go for the operations. So what are the operations required? Yeah. So since the first operation you will go for here as facing. Okay. So first go to facing. Yeah. This is what the facing we have to make. So in this milling, let's go for, you can say, you can go for face. Okay. So face parameters you have to select. Yeah. So now here you have to select the right cutting tool, as well as the finishing set over a number of passes the tool should move. Okay. Now we'll see that one how to make. Yes. Yes, come down. So first go for the rough cutting with right. So generally you have to select the tool that depends upon the where you are cutting face. Which face you are making here? The right side face. So for the right side face, you have to select the rough right face. First we are going for the rough face, right? Yes, okay. Next. So if you select this one, automatically you will get tool number, tool offset and station number, how much it will be, okay? So this you are going to make selection, automatically it will select in the CNC machine automatically, okay? Yes, now what are the face parameters you have to give? In this face parameters, So you have to give the number of finishing over, step finishing over, so how much will be the finishing step you want to make, 0.25, and number of passes, how much number of passes you required, 1 or 2, how many passes, just you can go for 4 passes. 4 passes means the tool will make 4 times cutting here. Okay, since we given only 2 mm extra, just it will finish it within 2, that is rough cutting. Okay, yes, 4 we given, yes, done. Okay, so now you can see here automatically you will get the tool as well as 4 positions here, 4 passes. Okay, so how it will make. See, this is the stock boundary. Yeah, see here the tool position, this is the tool, this is the number of passes. So 4 passes it will finish up to this where we want to make. Yes, done. Now we have to go for the rough cutting. Go to rough cutting. Since we done the facing already, so now you have to go for the rough. Yeah, so in this rough cutting, so first you have to select the boundary points with the chain. So how it has to cut, rough cutting. Okay, yeah, select the chain. So select the top line here. Okay, so top line, it will blink automatically. If it is feeling difficult, just make it zoom. Yeah, it's done. Now select the top line. Yes. So you have to be very careful on selecting the points here. Exactly, see it is coming reverse. Okay, just click again here. Now select carefully the top line. Select carefully the just you can select the top extreme end point. I am making zoom out again just to make it clearly. Yeah. Zoom out again. Zoom out. Zoom out. Yes. Now this one. Just if you click there, it will automatically zoom out here. Yeah. Now select the top line. Okay. Select this one. Select the top line. Yes, done. Okay, come down. First zoom out, make it zoom out. Still. Zoom out. So now we have to select the second boundary point, that is here, the extreme end. Okay. Now select this line. So select this. Yes, simply click. Yes, click there. So the arrow mark, it has to show the like a cycle. Okay, like a starting and ending like that. Yeah, you can see now. So this is after facing, it has to start from here and it has to end here. Okay, yes, click. End means it will come like a loop. Okay, how many passes you will make, that much it will make. Yes, okay, yes, okay. So we already done the chain type. Next it is showing the like you made chains types like that. Yes, now yeah. Okay, now just select it since we already selected previously. Yes, now we will make again the tool path, the rough cutting. So it is not formed. You can see here, even directly will get here. Rough face is only done. So still it is not making the rough cutting. Just click on rough cutting again. Select the chain type again, you have to make. Okay, again chain type. Yes, select chain. Select properly the line again. So you can see here, select the entity point or chain inner boundary. Okay, just if you are feeling difficult, just make it zoom in. Okay, still zoom. Okay. Yes, now select this point. Okay. Select this line. Okay. See here. Yeah, see now? Yes. It's showing down, no, it should show the top. Okay, again click there. Okay, now again select the top face line. Now yes, okay, so now it's coming down. Okay, top. Let's make it zoom out now. Zoom out. Okay. Now we have to select the second boundary point here. Okay. Yes, this one is the second point. Okay, select the done. So the second point, second line. And then it's extreme outside boundary line. Okay, right. Now, yeah, see, it is starting here, and it will continues like a process. Right. Click OK. Okay. Now it will make the process here. Okay, so how much the process it will make. So for that you have to select the tool, obviously rough right. Okay, just select this one, and now rough parameters is a default tool. Okay, rough parameters. So here you have to make the stock recognition. Let's come down. So rough parameters. So in this rough parameters, again you have to select the stock parameter here. So rough parameters. So depth of cut, of course, minimum cut it should take on this, and select this point. Tool parameters here. Okay, so we already come down. Okay, you can use the same tool. Go to rough cutting. This, of course, these are the parameters which you will get automatically based on your setting. Okay. Now you can see here it will generate the paths. So to generate the automatic, this is the workpiece. And it will show the number of passes, means how it will cut, like this. So in facing we done 4 passes, right? 4 times it will cut. Now on the outer surface, so it will cut 4 passes. Yeah. So this is the cutting tool, where it will cut. It is showing like, see, rapid move violations to clearance boundary. Select the new point. Okay. So you select this line. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, set the center line. Now to make the process. Okay, still it is not ready. Okay, select the part, make it zoom. Okay, zoom. Yes. So select this point. Slightly, just go for fit if it is not coming to the position. Just to go to fit. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now make it zoom. Make this as your next point. Yes. Done. Okay. So that means it will start from here. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now we got the tool again. So it will start from that point. Yes. Tool collision with the stop. Okay, no problem. Yes, we already given the point. Since we have to work with this extreme point after finishing. Okay. Yes, done. Now you will get the 4 parts in the stock. Next. So rough cutting is over. I mean rough cutting parameters we already given now. Now we can go for the finishing. So again you have to select the finish. Okay. Again finishing parameters. Again change it. Just select the top line. Okay. So this top line and select this top line. So that means 2 parts be given like rough cutting. So finishing also it has to make. Yes, done. Okay. Okay. Now you have to select the tool and how many passes it has to make now. Just I can give 2 passes now because since it is finishing. So it's not required 4 passes, just 2 is enough. select. So this is rough. Okay, so now we have to go for the finishing. Where is finishing? Yes, finish right. Okay, just click here. So automatically it will go into finishing tool 31. Finishing right tool, that is 21 is the tool number. Okay, finishing parameters. Just you can go for here the finishing step over. Just you can make 0.25, and this should be how many passes? 2 passes. So you will get very smooth finish. Okay. Okay. So see, this all the operations we done already. Okay. So in order to combine all the operations together to make it all operations at a time. Okay. So just toolpath group 1, right? Just click on the toolpath group. Just click on the toolpath group. Yes. See, now even you are getting the tool to make it cut up to this point. Okay. And these are the borderlines, you can say number of passes. Yes, let's click on toolpath now. Let's click on this. On this toolpath. So it will blink. Based on your system, it will blink faster or slower. Okay. Since I am having more applications, it will run very slowly. Just click here. Okay. So toolpath group we have already done. And to verify whether it is correct or wrong, just we have to go for verify selected operations. Just click here. So now it will verify all the operations what you done. It takes some time to get the verification. So once if it is done, just you can go for the simulation. You see, crossing NCI data means whatever the data you given is as per that it will work. It will combine all the operations, tools, and the settings what you done up to now. See now, this is the NCI data simulation path. This is your workpiece and this is your tool path. Just right click. Just we want to see the isometric. We will get very clear now. You can see here, this is the workpiece and this will be the tool path. And once if it is done, or if you want to see the different colors, just go to file, web plot, this is your workpiece and this will be your tool path. If you want to see the multiple colors, or if you want to see the two views, okay, 4 views, you can see here 4 views, 2 columns, 2 rows, or single view. If you see 2 rows, it will come in 2 rows. If you click on columns, it will come on columns. Okay. So if you want to go for 4, you will get automatically 4. Just I will go for the single point. And now see the colors. Yeah, so this is what the workpiece position. Now if you click either play or simulation here, okay, so you will get automatically the working, how it will work. Just click there, see facing, then followed by step turning, taper turning, what you want to make. So this is how. If you want to reduce the speed here, just make it slow. Okay, just click again. If you want to see the simulation, yes, for simulation, since it is not making. Okay, so this is what the final view, how to make. And if you the simulation, okay, simulation panel. Okay. So if you want to generate the program, okay, just come back here. You will find G1. Okay. So if you click here, yeah, see here, select the operation post. You will get automatically the number, program. So as per your given dimension, as per your workpiece simulation, how and what you done here. Okay, just reset. Okay. Reset. Yeah. Okay, so make it slow. Yes. So facing 4 passes, yes, done. Step turning, yes, taper turning, step turning. Okay, this is what the model and how we will get. Okay. So thank you for watching, and that is the way how to get the stock setting, then tool settings, then the operations, and followed by the parameters. Okay. And if you like this one, and if you need any doubts, just post on comments, and please share to your friends, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.